Today, we are here to discuss an essential topic that affects us all: water restrictions during Stage 2 of the Drought Contingency Plan. I'm Clary Quesada, and I'll be your guide in understanding what this plan entails and what we must do to follow its rules. First, let's talk about what Stage 2 of the Drought Contingency Plan means for our community. Stage 2 is triggered when our water supply at the Amistad and Falcon reservoirs reaches 25%. As responsible citizens, it's crucial to conserve water during every stage to ensure there's enough supply for everyone and to protect our environment. Now, let's discuss the rules that customers need to follow at home during Stage 2 of the Drought Plan. Rule number 1. Landscape irrigation restrictions. During Stage 2, lawn watering by a sprinkler system is restricted to 2 days a week based on the last digit of the service address, and from midnight through 7 a.m. and from 7 p.m. through midnight. For example, if the last number of your service address is 0 or 1, you can water Mondays and Saturdays. If it's 2 or 3, you may water Tuesdays and Saturdays. 4 or 5 can water on Wednesdays and Saturdays. 6 or 7 may water on Thursdays and Sundays. And numbers 8 or 9 on Fridays and Sundays. Rule number 2, vehicle washing guidelines. We understand that keeping our vehicles clean is important, but during Stage 2, you can only wash your vehicles at home during the 2 days a week you're assigned based on the last digit of your service address. For example, if the last number of your service address is 0 or 1, then you can only wash your vehicle at home on Mondays and Saturdays. Allowed times are from midnight to 10 a.m. and from 7 p.m. to midnight. Rule number 3, non-essential watering prohibited. Using water for non-essential activities is prohibited. Refrain from washing buildings, using water for dust control, or allowing water to run off into streets. Rule number 4, variances needed for landscape irrigation. Variances can be acquired from BPUB to water new landscaping plants outside the watering schedule. Requests must be submitted to BPUB via the website. Once on our website, search for Landscape Irrigation Variance Request on the search bar and fill out the application online or download a printable form and submit by fax or by email. Remember, you must be a BPUB customer to submit a variance request. Pumping from resacas. Pumping water from resacas for landscape irrigation is also restricted to 2 days a week based on the last digit of the service address from midnight to 7 a.m. and from 7 p.m. to midnight. Lastly, please help us share this information to educate and spread awareness. Let's all work together so that we can educate our friends and neighbors about the importance of water conservation. Share tips and information on social media or visit our website to learn more about saving water. To learn more about BPUB's Drought Contingency Plan or to find more ways to conserve water, follow us on social media. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Clary Quesada, and I'll see you next time on another episode of BPUB Central.